part of our STEM Storytimes. We just read The Princess and the Pea, or The Princess and the Jellybean.
Yum, jelly beans. Oh, and now Dora's going to show us a cool activity you can do.
Yeah, so this one's all about patterns. Do you see how we used all these mattresses for our story? Here's a picture of the princess on top of all of the mattresses on the bed, and down here we've coloured some in yellow, yellow, black, yellow, yellow, black. That's a pattern. Yellow, yellow, black, yellow, yellow, black. Let's see if we can find something to put on there. We could use some straws or some pipe cleaners, or you can use some textures, crayons or colouring in pencils. We're going to upload this little sheet to the library's website. Okay, here's the first one.
I've got pipe cleaners too, Dora. I'll have a go at it.
Cool. Jack's using pink and blue. Oh, what's next here? Yellow. Yellow, that's right. Yellow, yellow. And can you see what's next? Yellow, yellow, black. That's right, that's our pattern. Yellow, yellow, black. Okay, let's do two yellows. Yellow, yellow. What's next? Black. That's right. Oh, okay, now I've run out of coloured stuff. Let's see if we can remember the pattern ourselves. Yellow, yellow, black. Yellow, yellow, black. Yellow.
Yellow, black.
Yellow. Black.
Sounds like a
Well
song.
done. Good job. And can you see how all my mattresses are starting to line up under the bed, on top of the bed? You can do that activity at home. How did you go, Jack?
Oh yeah, mine's pretty good. I've got pink and blue and blue and pink and pink and blue and blue and pink. And...
I think Jack really just enjoyed playing with the fluffy felt pipe cleaners. Oh, Jack! I think we better go. Jack's starting to get a bit naughty.
Where's some jelly beans, Dora? Is there more jelly beans?
Come on, Jack, let's go and find you a snack. Bye!
Bye everybody. Thanks for watching. See ya.